So this is a 5 horsepower bandsaw. I've got a 1-inch Woodmaster CT carbide tip blade in here. We've got a Co-Matic AF110 power feeder. This feeder is pneumatically actuated, so it feeds the board and it presses it up against the fence perfectly as the board is going through. Very important. I've got a little digital readout on here. It's currently set for 2.4 millimeters, which is the target that I've got going for these 1/16 inch boards that I'm cutting in a minute here. The final thickness will be about 1.6 millimeters after sanding. So let's fire it up and cut some cherry.